Hello students, today our topic is respecting regional differences. This is the topic from your textbook. Firstly, we should be understand that what is the meaning of the regional differences. It means that the differences in the dresses, food, region, religion, language, culture and tradition. This is the These are the regional differences that are found in India and that is why India is known as unique country. Today we are going to be study about the Andaman Nicobar and Rajasthan. Andaman Nicobar lies in Bay of Bengal. It is in the south east of India. It is a group of 572 islands and many tribal communities live here. Art and architecture. Cellular jail is famous here. It was made by the Britishers and many of the freedom fighters were jailed here. Craft. Andaman and Nicobar is famous for many types of craft works like palm, mats, wooden, showpieces, and cane or the bamboo work, which is world famous. The food habits of the Andamanis. The most famous food here is seafood like fish, prawns, etc. Crops grown here, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables, coconut, mango nuts, and so many others. Dresses that are worn by the people, these are the different in different colors, and these people adorn their body with a lot of jewelry. A religion that is practiced by the Andamani Nicovari is the animism. In this religion, they believe in the souls, ghosts, and the spirits. Andamani Nicovari people are very fond of dance and music. They celebrate so many festivals. The main festival that is celebrated here is the Fig Festival. And the language that are spoken in Andaman Nicobar, Hindi is the main language, but the other language like Pongal, Tamil, etc. These are also spoken by these people. Now, the next is about the Rajasthan. As you know that the Rajasthan is the biggest state of India and it is a famous tourist place. A number of tourists from all over the world always all the year through the year came here and it is known for the so many historical monuments, handicraft, etc. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and which is known as the Pink City. Art and architecture of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has started with a number of forts, palaces, havelis, and stables. Buildings have courtyards, gardens, jharokhas, and so many other beautiful things. Use of the stone or the marble add its beauty. Buildings are decorated with the beautiful paintings which increase the beauty of these buildings. Food habits of the Rajasthanis. It is due to the is geographical feature that it is a sandy area and it has very low rainfall. That is why it is very difficult to grow crops or the vegetables here. What? In spite of that, a number of vegetables and fruits grown here. Traditional food items of the Rajasthani is dal bhati churma. The dresses that are worn by the Rajasthanis are colorful dresses and also they also wear ghagra, odini, bandhini, dhoti, etc. Tie and dye is the famous art of cloth here. Religion over the Rajasthan, Hindu Muslims Buddhism, Jainism, Islam, Christianity, all these are the religions that are adopted by the people of Rajasthan. Dance. Rajasthanis always celebrate their life with dance and music. They are very fond of dance and music. Ghumar is the famous dance of Rajasthanis. And the languages. Rajasthanis speak a number of languages. Hindi is the famous language of Rajasthani, and a number of dialects like Marwadi, Mewadi, all these are also spoken in Rajasthan. So students, this is all about the regional differences of India. Thank you.